What if I told you that most DeFi courses out there are designed to make you broke and one secret program is designed to make millionaires? I spent months analyzing every major platform, and what I found about number one will change how you see DeFi education forever. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Decent Masters. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Now, when it comes to crypto education platforms, not all programs are created equally. Now, here's a countdown of the top 3 options. Alright, now I have 3 websites that I would like to show you guys. And when it comes out to crypto education platforms, not all the programs are created equally. So here are the ones that I have on my list. So number 3, all right, we have the Bankless Academy. Now, it offers a gamified entry into DeFi learning from a well-known podcast brand. So while it's accessible and engaging with NFT badges and community challenges, its surface level content lacks that real investment strategy. So the fun format may entertain, but it doesn't really deliver that actionable insights or financial transformation that we have all been searching for. But again, you could go ahead and check that one out, of course, just to see, the things that you would need to know the most about them. So that is Bankless Academy, guys. And the second on my list is Coin Bureau. Now, for Coin Bureau, guys, it is backed by the popular YouTuber Guy and focuses on a fundamental analysis and market psychology. Now, the courses present a solid theoretical foundation and frequent updates, but that remains light on the practical execution and the personalized support. So it's better suited for general market awareness than, the real investing success. So that is for Coin Bureau. You could still go ahead and check that one out, of course. And guys, the number one on my list, and this is the one that I am telling you that actually is making millionaires. Now, and finally, guys, this is Decentralized Masters. Of course, the link to this will be in the description of the video. It is in a league of its own, and it is founded by CFA charter holder and former Wall Street banker Tan Jera. Now, the program, guys, is offering lifetime access to high value opportunities and not just theory, guys, okay? These are not just theoretical like any influencers that are, giving you all those stuff and all that. Now, with direct mentorship from professionals, not influencers, members receive early access tokens before major listings. And if you have been trading in the cryptocurrency for quite some time now, you know for a fact that being early in a project, in a high potential project, guys, will definitely yield in high profit. So case studies also show real success, guys. $50,000 turned into 400K through early stage token investment. Now look at this one, guys. This is in Trustpilot. So with over 435-star reviews and a proven track record, okay? Decentralized Masters delivers ongoing deal flow and advanced research tools like Gems Uncovered, which identifies 100x opportunities. Those are actually the ones that we are aiming for and we are looking for, and they are identifying 100x opportunities weekly, guys. Gotta go ahead and check this one out. Now, guys, this program offers results, not just lessons. So in today's fast-moving crypto world, serious investors know education without opportunity is just entertainment. You gotta keep that in mind, guys. If you are serious about what you're doing, you gotta get those opportunities going. That way you can capitalize on them. So you gotta go ahead and check this one out. Link to their website will be in the description of the video. Of course, do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into, so you could also make informed decisions with all your investments. If you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. Peace.